Yeah. Never, ever. You did? You got it there. Sure. I mean, children get murdered. You love it so much, why don't you look back? Let's thought about it. Let me ask you a question. If you could lose power, a curse, power, whatever power, would you? I'll go with